Have you ever had your silicone just not cure and you don't know why? What is cure inhibition and what causes it? Well, it's happened to me more than once, and I'm here to help you figure out what caused that cure inhibition. Hey everyone, my name is Derek and I am the owner, creator, and head silicone slinger here at Amavidi, where we make silicone toys for adults. Cure inhibition. Possibly the worst thing that can happen to a toy maker. So, just what is cure inhibition? Well, that's when the silicone fails to cure completely for some reason. If you've ever picked up a mold and it was still squishy long after it should have been cured, well, that's probably cure inhibition. If you've ever pulled a toy out of a mold and you found a gummy or sticky spot, that's also cure inhibition. So what causes it? Well, a lot of things, and we'll run through a few options here. I think the biggest culprit is improper mixing. If you don't have a good, complete mix of your silicone, it will not cure properly. Now, the easy solution to this is just to mix better. Scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, just make sure you've got it really well mixed. Temperature is probably the second biggest culprit. If you're casting under 72 degrees Fahrenheit, your cure times will be longer, and if you're trying to cast under 65 degrees Fahrenheit, your silicone may not cure at all. Another possible problem is the wrong mold release or applying it improperly. If you find that your cure inhibition is localized to a very specific place, this is probably the problem. Another possibility is cross-contamination by tin cure silicone, either in your tools or in your mold. Tin cure silicone will completely stop platinum cure silicone from curing. And finally, latex is another thing that will keep your silicone from curing. Always use nitrile gloves and make sure that they're powder-free. Latex gloves should never be used with platinum cure silicone. Actually, there is one more category. It might be a little bit obscure though. If you're using a resin-based 3D printer for your masters, then it can cause cure inhibition. So do some small-scale tests before committing to a particular resin. Now, I've done a bunch of these 2-minute quickie videos, and you should totally check out this list. And with that, I am out, and I will see you in the next video.